Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn what are the data types, how to declare variables. Data type. Data type is the attribute of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. A data type tells the compiler what type of data a variable can take and how many bytes will be set aside in RAM. Data types in C++. Integer. Integer is the data type which is used to declare variable for taking whole number like 2, 3, 400, which doesn't contain any decimal point. The variable can take minus or plus value. Integer, it occupies 2 bytes in RAM. When we declare variable of type integer, then in RAM 2 bytes are set aside for that variable. Like int is a keyword, a is the variable of type integer, then in RAM 2 bytes are reserved. So a will take only whole number. The whole number may be positive or negative, and the 2 bytes in RAM will be set aside for a. So there may be address in RAM like 100, 102. It means that 2 bytes are reserved for a. In C++ programming, whenever we want to store data or process data, then we use variable of type integer, floating, and also character. We can declare many variables of the same data type in a single line, and these variables are separate from each other through comma. Float is also a data type. This data type is used to declare variable which contains decimal point. These variable can take value which contain decimal point like 2.3, 100.0, 9.5, and in RAM 4 bytes are set aside for storing the data. 4 bytes are set aside in RAM for floating point number. Floating point variable store the data which contain decimal point. Float is also keyword, and if we want to declare several variable of the same data type like float, then we can declare in a single line. Third basic data type is character. Character data type is the data type which can store only a single character, and only 1 byte is used. 1 byte is set aside in RAM. Like a is character variable a1 which can take character data, and that character, single character, is enclosed in single quote, and only 1 byte is set aside in RAM for holding value. x1, y1 and z1 are the character variable. Let's consider a simple example. These two are the preprocessor directive iostream.h and conio.h are header file. Int main is the main function. This is the body of the main function. Integer a, b, sum. These are 3 variable of the data type integer. It means that 6 bytes are set aside in RAM. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. This is the assignment operator which assign value to the variable. A, B are the variable. Sum is equal to A plus B semicolon. Every statement in C++ must be terminated with a semicolon. And if we want to display a message, that message must be enclosed in double quotes. Cout is the output function which is in header file. The declaration of cout is in header file iostream.h. Getch is also a built-in function and return 0 is also built-in function. This is a very simple program. Every program consists of three parts. The preprocessor directive, which start with the hash symbol, the main function, and the body of the main function. This is the single line comment. Comments are used for the explanation of statement, and these are ignored by the compiler. The body of the function start from this bracket.